Hello everyone, I'm Tim, the product manager of UNO product division. In response to the differences in the various industrial sites and the different needs for digital transformation, Advantech has launched a series of modular industrial computers, the UNO-2000 Series, to allow users to achieve their goals in most cost-effective manner. If users want to add specific functions, they can also achieve it through our expansion modules. In this class, you will understand the advantage and the configuration of a modular design, and understand how UNO2000 connects the cloud services to enable more applications. We will also introduce in detail the product features and applications of UNO2000 Series. We welcome you to this course and look forward to seeing you at IoT Academy. Thank you.